Here are the first 5 terms of a quadratic sequence. We've got -2, -1, 1, 4 and 8. And we need to find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. Now I know a quadratic sequence will always have an nth term that looks like an squared plus bn plus c. So I just need to work out what a, b and c are. To do that, we're going to work out the first differences between each successive term. So the difference between -2 and -1 is 1. It's gone up by 1. The difference between -1 and 2, so -1 and 1 is 2. It's gone up by 2. The difference between 1 and 4 is 3, and the difference between 4 and 8 is 4. So those are the first differences. Now let's look at the second differences. The difference between 1 and 2 is 1, the difference between 2 and 3 is 1, and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. Now I know that this number here is always equal to 2a. So 2 times a is equal to 1. So divide both sides by 2, and I find that a has to be equal to 1/2. Next, I know that this number here is always equal to 3a plus b. And I've just worked out that this a was 1/2. So 3 times 1/2 is 1.5, or 1.5 if you prefer. So 1.5 plus b is equal to 1. So take the 1.5 away from both sides, and I find that b is minus 0.5, or 1/2. And then finally I know that this number here is always equal to a plus b plus c. And we worked out that the a was 1/2, or 0.5 if you prefer. We know that the b was minus 0.5. The 0.5 minus 0.5, well, they just cancel out and give 0. So we just get that c is equal to -2. So to write our answer then, we've got an squared. So you could write 1/2 n squared. Or if you preferred decimals, you could write 0.5 n squared, entirely up to you. Plus bn. The b was minus 0.5, or minus 1/2, and the c is -2. So that is my nth term.